Are you ready for your next act? And remember, you guys applaud louder the closer she gets to the stage, yeah? So please welcome to the stage, Jia Yang!
Hi everyone, my name is Jia Yang, and I'm studying Materials Science and Engineering in university. Like all university students, I am having an existential crisis. It all started when I was reading up about the UN Climate Change Conference. You know, what really impresses me about them is that they really did make an impact. So they were like, we'll make some plans, set some targets, and fly all the way to Poland. In just one day, they changed the climate with their flights. Like, I really appreciate what they're trying to do, but if the best of us are flying and talking for the planet, what are the rest of us doing, right? Of course, I'm also part of the rest of us. But definitely, I fly less than them. If you exclude my flight to Greece and my flight to China, I don't fly at all. But you know what? And besides that, I also offset my carbon footprint with Cool Earth. They are basically an environment charity that helps to mitigate the hot earth by helping the forest people to make money from the forest so they won't sell it to evil infrastructure economists. But what's even worse than flights is having babies. Real babies. Yeah. And you know why? Because every baby needs food, water, and worst of all, higher education. So instead of saving for my college education, my parents should have just donated all of it to Cool Earth. So the best solution to that is to off myself, right? Because no human, no emission. But wait. Okay, let's calm down. I don't really want to go there. But I will risk it by eating slightly expired food. That's something I have the guts for. And I guess my gut is pretty strong because the 7-Eleven cashier couldn't quite stomach that. He was like, no, I can't sell this to you. It's expired for 5 whole minutes. And you said you won't sue us if you get food poisoning, but you definitely will sue us. And if you don't sue us, then let me stay here. So, well, that's that. So if the cashier doesn't want to cooperate with me, at least my parents will, right? Okay, so a few days after I became vegetarian, I came out. Mom, I'm vegetarian. I know it's hard to say, but that's what I know. Oh my god, your hair will fall out. Our culture will be lost. The economy will collapse. Excuse me, I'm the one with the existential crisis. But that was not all of it. So during dinner, we were eating with our chopsticks, right? So she was like, oh, there's only a little bit of meat in here. Oh, fish isn't meat, you can eat fish. And the best one from my dad, where do you get your protein? Oh, but that one's easy. You know, since all my hair is falling out, I'll just eat my hair for protein. So beyond food, I've also been like trying to cut down on the stuff I own. Because if we can be happier with less, that means that our carbon footprint will go down as well, right? So every time I come back from the Salvation Army, I always get this warm, fuzzy feeling in my chest. I'm sure Sarah will really, really love that Class of 2016 t-shirt with my name on it. And as for presents, I would actually like to say to everybody that don't give me presents, just give me money. It sounds pretty bad, but remember my dad to Cool Earth. Friends, birthdays and Christmas, you know what to do now. But all of that doesn't help with my existential crisis. What happened that really helped was an ordinary day. So I went grocery shopping. And at the grocer's I realized, oh no, I didn't bring my own bag. But I didn't want to take their plastic bag because $50 more to cool Earth. So instead I just like carried everything, the kale, the carrots, and the cucumbers. In my arms, like a baby, and went home to sleep. Then I realized that at home I had a surprise for me. And the surprise was, I didn't even need to cook at all because the heat from my arms and the heat from Singapore's sun has already cooked everything. So if you guys ever need free cooking services, you can come to me. In fact, I'll be flying to the next climate change conference, telling them to stop flying so much and cook for them. Thank you.